Hello, greetings everyone, one and all. My name is Irfan Daniel from 1 and 2, and back from where Mahesh and Shakir left off, which is the obtuse angle, reflex angle, and whatever that stuff is. I am continuing from where they left off, but I'll do something different. I'll do the ones that people find a bit hard for their first time, or they still forget how to do it, right? And of course I'll have to refer from the textbook, because I myself am not good at it sometimes. So question is, find the value of x here to x here. The solution is 2x plus 90 plus x equals 180 degrees. 3x, you might be wondering, where did we get 3x from? Well, obviously from x plusing, adding with 2x, see, plus 90, we just put that in, but don't add it with the x's. Since 3x equals 180 degrees minus 90, because all of this here equals 180, as you can see. So if 3x equals 180 minus 90, because 180 and these and 90 degrees is the only ones that we know that are numbers that we can minus off together. So 180 minus 90 is the same as 18 minus 9, which is 9. So 180 minus 90 would obviously be 90. X equals 1/3 times 90. Why 1/3? Some people ask. Even me asking my teacher. Well, she says because 3 is considered as 3 as a whole. So 3 as a whole, 3 divided by 3 is 3 separate pieces. Because x is one piece, so it's 1/3. It's 1x out of 3x times 90. So therefore x equals 30. Okay, cool. In the figure for z, find the value of w. Now w 140 degrees. We know all we can do is the same concept as this. 140 plus w equals 180. Now forgive me for my handwriting, it is very bad. I'm practicing on it though. Anyway, since w and w add with 140 is 180. If we take 180 minus 140, it equals to, take off 1, 8 minus 4 is 4. Add the 0, 40. There we go. So the same like this, but it's 3x, you say. How can we put 3w when there's only 2w? Well, put 2w then. 2w equals to 180 minus 140. So half, because it's 2 whole and one of it is half. Half times 40 equals, let me use the calculator. Many of you might already know the answer, but I'm a bit bad at math, so yeah, I have to use calculator. It's 20. Yes, even the simplest of that I tend to forget. So yeah, it's 20 degrees, meaning it's w, meaning, sorry, hold on, means 1w, meaning 1w is 20, because 20 plus 20 is 40, 40 plus 140, 180. Okay, so that's all the time that I have now. Thank you for your cooperation to listening, unless if you want to do one more question, of course. You know what, let's just do one more question, shall we? Find the x in the figure. You might be wondering, is it still the same concept as 180? Well, no, because it's not a straight line. In fact, angles on a point, which means the whole thing, equals to 360 degrees. You don't believe me? Pause this video right now. Actually, hold on. Plus 180. Pause the video right now and add 180 with 180. Okay? Now, what did you get? You'll get 360. As you can see. So how do we find x? Simple. 360 minus 128 minus 125. So if we use that on the calculator real quick, equals to 107, as it clearly states here. Again, to find this, simple. 360 minus 130 minus 62 equals 360 minus 130 and minus 62 equals 268. Thank you for your cooperation, everyone. I wish you have all a good night rest or a good morning wake up call. Depends on what time you're watching this. So yeah, thank you for your cooperation, and this is Muhammad Irfan Daniel from 1 and 2 signing off.